Embracing Makkah, a heartwarming journey. In the heart of Makkah, amidst the bustling streets and the whispers of prayers, lay a tale of a young boy named Ahmad. His days were woven with the golden threads of the city's rich history and the vibrant fabric of its people. Ahmad, with wide curious eyes, navigated the labyrinthine paths leading to the Grand Mosque. Every step he took echoed the rhythm of his heart, pulsating with reverence and anticipation. His journey was not merely physical, it was a spiritual odyssey, a communion with his faith. As he approached the sacred precincts, the majestic sight of the Kaaba stole his breath away. Tears welled in his eyes as he felt the weight of centuries of devotion. The whispered prayers of millions seemed to caress his soul, lifting him into a realm beyond the tangible. Among the throngs of pilgrims, Ahmad found unity, a convergence of humanity in its purest form. Despite the diversity of languages and cultures, a profound harmony enveloped them all. In the embrace of Makkah, Ahmad discovered not just a city, but a sanctuary where hearts find solace, where differences dissolve into a shared devotion. His journey became a testament to the unifying power of faith and the transformative beauty of spiritual belonging.